moving into our today's trading idea, we start the first one will be Aeon. So one of the reason why we highlight Aeon, because we note that the long-term trend structure has started to skew more on the upside one, because the series of higher structure since March last year, and in general the stock is pretty much for forming something that we call a triangle pattern, and this triangle pattern could be at the tail end, particularly as the stock is actually continuing to raise higher for the past few weeks. So a breakout above the immediate resistance at within 6 ringgit is pretty much the triangle neckline pattern. So beyond those level, we effectively going to kickstart a new up cycle, as we will put our next technical target at 6 ringgit 21 cent and 6 ringgit 65 cent, while the cut loss level will be below 5.70 cent. So risk to reward ratio is quite attractive at 3.8% risk and 12.4 potential upside. So it's about 1 to 3.27. So for quant scoring, we have a quality with the quant score at 5.95. All right, next will be a classic scenic. So one of the reasons why we highlight the classic scenic, because the recent baseline that was formed right within multiple moving average of here. So we've seen a solid, I would say, breakout move, followed by a classic return move as the stock create a new baseline, a new high-low structure. And if you look really on both MACD and what we call the RSI, it is actually improving. So yesterday again, it actually could actually kickstart a new up cycle, as we think there's decent chance for the stock to trading higher, hitting the next technical target at 55 cent and 60.5 cent, while the cut loss will be below 45 cent. Risk to reward ratio is quite balanced with the 9% risk with the potential reward of 22%. So triple R ratio will be 1 to 2.44. There's no what we call that quant scoring, is because the stock is not under any coverage. Last but not least will be Magnetech industry. So Magnetech industry, the correction that began since September has pretty much ended, following a successive rebound within 61.8 back in December. So post rebound, we see the stock is actually building a new baseline above 200-day moving average, and those what we call that base has been improving, particularly when you see a new breakout move last week. So in terms of the trading interest, it has actually been improving for the past few weeks. Momentum also has gradually going up higher. MACD is also pointed stronger uptrend signal, so we expect the prior uptrend to continue. We put our technical target at 2 ringgit and 3 cent, and next target 2 ringgit 13 cent, while the color will be below 1 ringgit 84 cent. Risk to reward ratio is quite attractive at 1 to 3.38 with a 3.4% risk and potential reward of 11.5%.